Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a Sugarmuses Deluxe Muse box. This is a witchy subscription box that I get. It is bi-monthly. I will put the link to the box in the description below if you want to check it out. I don't remember the pertinent details for you this time. I have somehow thrown them out of my brain, so sorry for that, but the website will be below so that you guys can check it out. I love this box, and I am tickled pink that it is back and it is rolling. I just did, if you're watching this, the previous Sugarmuses unboxing video was the Midnight Muses box. So I just did that box. That one's my favorite, but I also love this one because it's like the mega box with like a full ritual set of stuff in here. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. I saw that it got delivered, and because it's a million degrees in Texas, I like ran to my post box to get it because I know that there's a candle in here and I did not want to deal with that mess. But hopefully there isn't a bunch of melted wax in here. We're gonna find out together. So let's see. I'm not gonna read this, but the theme is sun signs. So I will hold this up at the end so you guys can pause and read or screen grab or whatever you guys do. I don't know if that's really like worth it for you guys, but some of you guys like to know what it says, I guess. I'm not reading it. It's a lot to read, and I'm not a great public speaker. Contrary to popular belief, my trademark slogan is not "words are hard." But it looks like this is going to be like a zodiac-y type box, because the first little Book of Shadows page we have here is about the sun signs and what, I guess, magic each of them is strongest in. As a Leo, it says tarot. I'm not going to argue that, but I'm going to say that, like, I'm not first on this list, so the list is wrong. But I love this. This is a great little, like, handy guide. Super interesting. Something I could definitely refer to. If I was interested in working, like, in that sign, I think this would be, interesting to come back. So, like, you know, if the moon was in Aries, then I could come back and do candle magic and have this as a reference. So that's really handy and neat. And then there is a Letha spell page, correspondence page, not a spell page, I read spell, with like different correspondences on it. Some really neat info in there. I like that as well. And like I said last time, these are the perfect size for my Book of Shadows, so I love these pages. I do save them, and I do put them in my book. And this time, our oracle card is in an envelope. It's a white envelope, which is appropriate given that it's a summer sunny type of thing. But I love the black ones, not gonna lie. But excited because I have an extra bonus envelope. And our little oracle card is a cute little like butterfly dragon, and it says confidence. Enchanted Blossoms, I'm guessing, is the deck that it's from. It's a really nice, it's like a matte but kind of gold toned background. That's really cute. I love this. And it says Hepatica and Baltimore Checker Spot, which I'm guessing is the name of the butterfly and the flower. I'm not familiar with either, but it's cute, and I really like this card, and I like the message. Confidence is a great one. Definitely something I could use more, since I just dogged myself for not being a good public speaker on my YouTube channel, which is public last time I checked. So let's see. Since I touched it first, we'll crack this open first. It is the Botanical Ritual Salts. This is a Radiance. It has... oh, I need the camera to read it. That's bad. I should put my glasses on. Chamomile, lemon peel, hibiscus, and essential oils. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a pretty salt. It smells kind of nice. Sorry. It's an Epsom salt, like sea salt thing. So it is a bath salt that you could use. That's kind of cool. What do we do first? Let's see. So there is some red clover. That's cool. I love red clover. And the tea is cinnamon apricot, which is great. I love apricots. And I am like the most excited for summer, only in the regards that I get to eat summer fruit. The rest of summer you can stay. But the summer fruit, I'm here for it, and I love it. And apricots are one of my favorites. And this tea has marigold, cinnamon, and apricots and fruit flavor. So this is going to be yummy, and I cannot wait to try that. There is a little spell here for success. So there's that if you guys want to read it. Pretty sure the rest of the components are in here because it says that you need the red clover, a chamomile blend, and a bag with mica gemstone. So I'm guessing that's the situation we got going here. I don't know what I want to open first. Maybe this one. So I love the packaging. I love the presentation. I even like that this is like a sun-themed solar box, and it's like black paper, crunchy papers. Black squigglies. But everything is so bright in here, like the gold really stands out against it, and that's really beautiful. This is gorgeous. It's like a little stamped tag, which was surprisingly easy to open. I'm going to save this, though. That's going to be really cool, like on a journal tag or something as an embellishment. That's neat. And it's just really cute. Like, I almost want to say this is probably serpentine. Don't quote me. I will check at the end. With this little cute little sun charm. And that's really nice, guys. It's a stretchy bracelet. But that's really pretty. So I love this. Sorry. I dropped my camera earlier to do a sticky club unboxing thing and then never lifted it up. So I tilted the camera so I could put the box under. We're just going to deal with this. This says it's mica, which makes sense because that was on the spell thing. And it's extra wrapped up because mica is super fragile. We're going to get in here, though. I learned last time that these were tied together, so I was a little more prepared to open this stuff. And this is pretty weighty, so that's a good chunk. A good sized chunk of mica before I even crack it open. Ooh, and it's even more protected. But look at that. Ooh, look how pretty. I'm not going to pull the tissue paper off just yet because I'm going to put this box aside for a little bit while I reorganize stuff to get ready for Letha. But I love this and how beautiful. Mica is so pretty. Like, you can see it reflecting on my hand. Ooh. I'm in love with this, you guys. This is a great stone. This is a great crystal. Stone. Mineral. Great mineral. And I'm in love with that. So that is great. I'm going to put it back in its little baggie so it doesn't get dinged up. Because knowing my luck, I will drop it. Also, this bag is really, really nice. I love the look of this, the look of everything in here. The candle is a Letha Botanical Ritual Candle. I love this tin. This is a good size candle, too. And look at that. So pretty. It's like a pansy or a viola. A viola. A violet. I don't know the difference. I don't know my flowers that well. But that's really pretty. And I like it. And I like that it's like a little moon shaped. That's a nice candle. We'll give the tin a slap. And let's see. Let's unbury some stuff. Oh gosh. Lots of squigglies. There's lots of stuff in here. At first I was like, oh, this box isn't really that heavy. And now I'm seeing that it doesn't need to be heavy because it's packed. So we got a candle snuffer. Which I don't think I have one of these. Oh, and it has a pentacle on it. How nice is that? I think I just saw somebody use this in like an aesthetic TikTok video and was like, how is it I've been doing this for years, have been getting subscription boxes for years, and I don't have a candle snuffer. Look. Today is my day. You guys don't even know. If you haven't seen my sticky unboxing club for this month, I lost my mind over a stamp that matches a paper pad I already have. Like, things are just coming up aces. So you got our little tea bags here. And a chamomile blend. What's it blended with? I mean, like, I love chamomile, but what's the blend? It just looks like chamomile to me. Sorry. I'm, like, eyeballing it, like, from over here. And I should just be showing you guys. Looks like some really nice quality chamomile. It's still pretty yellow. So I like that. Beautiful. And then we got some incense. And this is lemongrass incense. So excited for that. They have really great incenses. They burn really well. Oh, it's the tag from the mica that I chucked back in here. And then I know you guys are dying to see this, but there is one more thing. I think it's the oil in their new bottle, which I love. This is Radiance Botanical Oil with bergamot, sun tea, and lemongrass. So I love this. Really pretty. Ugh. Strength. Rollerball style. Perfect, perfect. I have like 3 rollerball oils in my purse like all the time. And I'm always worried that they're going to spill everywhere, but they don't. But I have one of theirs in there as well, and I just use them whenever I feel like I need that little extra magic on the go. Draw some sigils and stuff. I love rollerball perfumes. So this is signed, like hand signed by Sugarmuses 2022. And it looks like a little like altar tray. This is really pretty. It's black, and then there's like gold on top, and it's the zodiac with a beautiful little sun, and I think a candle would sit really nicely on, or a crystal. Ooh. Do I have a spherical crystal? Not on hand, but it doesn't have to be a sphere. I'm just thinking about how it would sit nicely in there. But I do have some pretty crystals that I think will look really great on this. But this is really gorgeous. I love the details. I love the symbols that they used. I think they're really clear. Let's get to the important one. It's just really nice. Really nice. So I love that. This was a great box. Let's unpack it so that we can get back to the paper and see what we got. Or what we're working with, at least. There. I should plan these better and not have the paper be underneath everything that I unboxed. Okay, so let's see. You can pause to read. I'll try to get the most light I can on there. So this is a Letha box. It's about the zodiac signs. Their elemental correspondences. Whoop, in frame. And then, ooh, it's front and back. I was not expecting that, but I appreciate the conservation of paper. And then there is a little bit about purification, setting up your altar. So this goes through the steps of the ritual, using the Radiance ritual salts that you can use for cleansing, casting circles, and baths. Really great how to set up your altar, how to use the lemongrass incense stick we got. It gives you the steps to cast a circle and call the quarters if that's your jam. In frame would help. How to invoke deity into your ritual. So this is a pretty standard like Wiccan ritual format. It's not my personal style of ritual, but I do love having these as a reference point. Especially since I like to wing things. But let's see. We also got the Letha candle and the Radiance ritual oil, which it says is a blend of lemongrass, green tea, bergamot with an almond oil base. So that's pretty great. And then the energy work is to use the Sun Signs wheel. It's made with resin, hand painted with gold. So that's why they signed it. So that's cool. And it would be a great centerpiece on your altar or to hold crystal grids, which is actually a really great idea. I think I kind of love that, because then you could position like the crystals in like their astrological positions. I don't want to like mess this up because I'm not super versed, but you could even just put them in the spots that like correspond to your signs or the signs of whoever you're like doing work on. That's pretty neat. So I love that. And then the chamomile blend. Looks like it's just chamomile. I'm so put off by like the word blend. I don't know why. That's like weird semantics. It's chamomile, and that's great. I'm happy to know it's just chamomile. Maybe because it's like smooshed up. Maybe that's why. And then we also got red clover. Oh, sorry. And muscovite mica, which is used to enhance visions, improve intuition, and manifesting intentions. So that's pretty great. That's a perfect stone, especially to go with my card for confidence and the success spell. Like, that's a really great, like, setup. And then this would be the time to do additional spell work. And we got a brass candle snuffer. And then releasing the quarters, releasing your circle, and grounding afterwards with a nice cup of the cinnamon apricot tea. And it is serpentine. The gemstone bracelet was serpentine, sorry. I'm reading ahead. And the art prints are done by the lovely lady who puts the boxes together, Christy. So that is cool. See, she signed it down here. So she's the one who does the Book of Shadows art prints too, so that's cool. And the intuitively drawn oracle card is from the Enchanted and Blossoms, blah, 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 blah. Words are really hard. From the Enchanted Blossoms Empowerment Oracle by Carla Morrow, and you can find that on her website or wherever you want. But that's pretty neat. This was a great box. I love this. It goes really well with the Midnight Muses box too. I think they'll work off each other pretty well. So make sure you check that video out so you can see what else I got this month. I'm pretty excited with that. Happy with this stuff. This box is great. I love this tray. I cannot wait to use it. Let me know what you guys thought of this box, what your favorite item was in the comments below. And I will catch you guys all in the next one. Till then, I appreciate your face. If you made it this far, until next time, bye!